What's up, guys? Shell Techno here, a little 101 sesh, back at you with round 2. We're going to get into some more of the technicals, kind of the behind the scenes. First of all, we've got to power this thing up. Power GoPro Hero 3. There we go. And looking at our menu structure here, I held the mode button down for 3 seconds to turn it on. Now I'm just going to tap it one time and go into this menu. And this is my still camera settings. So I can use this thing as like a camera. Wide angle for the lens, 11 megapixel, and I've taken 236 photos. There's 535 remaining if I want to keep taking stills. So right now, if I hit this button, it's going to take a still? No. What do? I'd have to switch mode over, wouldn't I? Okay, next. What did I just do? Just cycling through modes?
Yeah, it takes a burst of photos. It's 3 in 1 time.
Okay, that was burst mode. Not to be confused with beast mode. This is if you have to use a wrench. No, we got to go back here. So when I get into the mode I want, like settings, then I hit the top button. There we go. So once I'm in here now, I can cycle through these as well. Let me get back to that first one with the medium. Bam, and I'm going to hit the top button, and I can change any one of these. Resolution on a GoPro 3, I don't think it goes above 1080.
About 30 FPS.
Let's see. Yeah, all I can do on this thing is 1080, no 4K, people.
1080p, 60.
So when I get the 1080 that I want, bam, go down to frames per second. This one I think I could go, oh no, I can only go 24, wow. Not much to speak of. Don't feel bad. I'm not looking down on you, Hero 3, but this is the one that I want to probably play with the most. I want all of you to shoot shots in these 3 settings. So you have to know how to get here. I just want you to shoot some video footage in wide, medium, and narrow to see the difference in focal lengths. Narrow would be a pretty tight focal length, obviously. Wide would be what people are used to with GoPro, and medium is where it was set. Go down one more, click the top button to exit. This is for still camera settings. I doubt any of you are going to use this as a still camera, but we could change it in all of the different settings. So like 11 megapixel, we could change. How do I get in there? Or are these just, these are the defaults, aren't they? I can't change these.
Well,
Is that correct?
Yeah, click the top one.
Okay, to click the top one, now what?
So then
I don't think I can. Back in again.
You missed it.
Wrench. Right there?
Keep going. One more.
Oh, yeah.
Hit the top button. Go
Okay.
down one. And hit the top button again.
So now, but I'm saying I can't change 8 megapixel medium. I can't make it wide. Okay, that was my question.
So like presets.
All right. This would be the burst, as Austin has said. This would be that motion or the delay. So if I want to take a selfie and jump in front of the camera, my options there, I could go to 5 second. Oh, I can go down further. Look at that.
Seconds.
That's plenty of time for me to get in front of the camera, smile. What else are we missing in here? Capture settings.
That just shows you what it does on stereo.
Oh, it's off. I think that's the side button, isn't it? Does anybody know NTSC or PAL, what that means? NTSC is like the North American standard for video, and PAL is the European standard. That's what I understand it to be. So we would normally always want to be on NTSC with what we're editing. What's that? OSD. Nobody knows. There's 7 people that don't know. What is it?
Out of San Diego.
Could be.
Is it something to do with the SD card?
I feel like it's optical stabilization or something. I don't know. Somebody's got to figure that one out. LED brightness, so the brightness of the screen.
Music.
What is this?
It's a music note.
Oh, looks like a treble F.
on screen. Probably like the volume.
Oh yeah.
Opposite
The volume it plays.
For playback. It's got a speaker? Really? Yeah.
On-screen
display.
Thank you. On-screen display. So
Or
Office of Security Defense.
that one came up too? Oh, sweet. It's just for beeping through the settings. That's kind of cool, though. I'll take it. There we go.
No.
Is it annoying?
Keep it on, make it louder.
I don't know what this is for.
That just turns that, like, how long it
Oh.
takes power off.
I like that. What should we set it at?
300.
300. One thing with these is battery is not that awesome, right? It's an hour at max, and it'll stay running if it's not recording. Now we just change that to after 300 seconds, it'll stop. 4918, and thing actually has the right date.
It's not the right time though. It's 8:48.
I do have wireless control set up on this. This is cool enough to sync with a Bluetooth device. I feel like that is a pretty comprehensive tour of GoPro settings.
Outro the video.
So anyway, back at you with round 3 here. Whenever we get like a GoPro 7 or something.
Yeah.
She'll techno out.